Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Budraja from Key Art and Design channel, and today I'll be talking about Uceed syllabus, both the theory part and the practical part. I'll be explaining what all courses, what all stuff is there in the course. Moving on. So basically, as you all know, undergraduate common entrance exam for design has two subdivisions under it. First is theory, the second is practical, theory being the theoretical part of the paper and practical being the drawing part of the paper. Okay, so covering up what all is there in the theoretical part of the paper, we have visualization and spatial ability, observation and design sensitivity, analytical and logical reasoning, environmental and social awareness, language and creativity, design thinking and problem solving. Talking about what all is there in visualizing and spatial ability. Pictorial and diagrammatic questions to test understanding of transformation and or manipulation of 2D shapes and 3D objects and their spatial relationships, knowledge of practical and everyday mechanical and scientific concepts. Observation and design sensitivity, ability to detect concealed properties in ordinary things, people, situations, and events, and thinking critically about them, applying attention to certain details, analyzing, reasoning, classifying, inferring, and predicting, ability to discern subtle differences in visual properties and aesthetic outcomes. Analytical and logical reasoning, ability to look at information, be it qualitative or quantitative in nature, and discern patterns within the information, ability to weigh opinions, arguments, or solutions against appropriate criteria, ability to check for hidden bias or hidden assumptions and whether evidence and arguments support conclusions, ability to use logic and structured thinking to deduce from a short passage which of a number of statements is the most accurate response to a posed question, data interpretation, brain teases, and patterns. Environmental and social awareness, general awareness of environmental factors such as climate, population, water, vegetation, pollution, weather, natural resources, etc., and their implication on the design of products, images, infrastructure, and environment. Awareness of social and cultural connections with design, history of the designed artifact, and socially responsible and environmentally sustainable design responses, history of art, sculpture, and literature. Language and creativity, ability to understand and use standard English, reading comprehension, knowledge of English grammar, ability to think creatively in terms of alternatives, ability to distinguish innovative opinions and to think out of the box. Design thinking and problem solving, ability to use visual analogies, metaphors, signs and symbols, ability to understand complexity, identify problems, generate alternatives, evaluate options, and select solutions. Okay, so talking about the practical part of the question paper, we will have ability to draw products, people, scenes in proportion, good line quality, composition, proportion, perspective, perspective fundamentals, advanced perspective fundamentals again, and shading. Perspective fundamentals, concept of perspective, line convergence, square perspective, different points of perspective, round perspective. Okay, advanced perspective, different eye levels, foreshortening, different eye view drawings, and aerial perspective. Shading, light and shadow, different types of shading, basic shading in object, shading in metal, shading in wood, shading in drapery, shading in stone, shading in different glass, shading in plastic, shading in plants, flowers and foliage, shading in fruits and vegetables, weight and color variation through shading, and how to handle floor and wall. Thank you so much for watching the video. Do like and subscribe to the Key Art and Design channel. Best of luck for your exams.